President Trump's long-threatened tariffs against Mexico and Canada have now gone into effect, and this could lead to higher prices across the country and right here at home.
22 News reporter Kaylee Thomas joins us live this evening with how these tariffs could impact the U.S. economy.
Nick and CR, Trump has pushed through with these tariffs, but now many are worried about the impacts they'll have on the economy and the current impact on the stock market. Tariffs put in place by President Donald Trump is now leaving many Americans concerned.
The money's going to be coming out of us as taxpayers to pay it off. And then food prices are going to be going up, gas, everything is just going to be impacting us citizens here.
These tariffs went into effect as of midnight Monday, kicking off trade wars with our American neighbors. Imports from Canada and Mexico will now be taxed at 25%, while the tax on imports from China has doubled to 20%. President Trump threatened these tariffs as a way to try and stop fentanyl trafficking and illegal immigration into the U.S. Trump also sees it as a way of making revenue for the U.S. According to the Tax Foundation, the tariffs will generate $100 billion in federal tax revenue, but could also hurt the broader economy.
I guess the debate in terms of who is going to pay it, is it going to be the producer of the good or is it going to be the consumer? Or really the truth lies is probably somewhere in the middle, and it's really kind of going to depend on the particular good that's coming across the border in terms of who pays it.
The senior vice president at St. Germain Investment Management says Americans could not only see higher prices on a range of goods the U.S. imports from the top 3 trading partners, but there's also the risk of jobs being eliminated. He also says the stock market already took a dip, but not to panic.
So if you had a mix of stocks and bonds, you're up for the year. And again, the stock market for the year is only down 2% or so year to date. So it's not from high to low. We've pulled back a little bit more than that because we were up probably 5% or so at 5% or so this year. So it hurts to give back those gains a little bit.
On April 2nd, the president announced he will impose reciprocal tariffs on all imports that tax U.S. goods. President Donald Trump is set to address a joint session of Congress tonight where he'll be expected to defend his trade actions. Working for you in Chicopee, Kaylee Thomas, 22 News.